So today we are building this amazing live news app. We are just building this amazing live news app using Next.js 13. And now I will be showing you what are the things included in this amazing live news app and how we are building it using Next.js 13. First of all, you can see we are getting the title of tech news written, or you can say the heading here. And at the back, we are just getting the blackish color navbar, which is looking awesome. Then if I move at the right side, we are just getting all the navbar menus, like we are getting home, current affairs, archive, featured, broadcast, categories, and all these things which are navbar menus. Then at the right we are getting these all icons like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. You can put any other icons also if you want to put, but I put all the populars icon which I needed. Then if I move on the interface, means main interface of the page, here we are just getting at the left the heading of the get the world latest tech news. We are getting heading. Then down we are getting the paragraph here which is saying that world's leading tech news portal, means it will be showing you all the latest news portals we want to see. Then down we are getting a no more button which is having a beautiful hover effect at the back, which is looking good. Then down we are getting all these paragraphs menu which is just saying that these are the latest news. And you will be also seeing who, means who had made this title and who had just published this title here. So you will be getting the name of the user also, like here it is written by Scott Steen. You can put any other names, you can put any other tags if you want to put here. Then at the top we are again at the right we are getting these all news portals. We are just getting, I've put 4 portals here. You can put 6 to 7 or 9 to 10 portals if you want to put, or if you want to put more than that portal, so you can put that if you want to do that. But in every portal you can see we are getting a different image with the different text and the same paragraph. You can do that, but I've put same text because I don't want to waste my time. So I was just showing you the pattern how to build. Then you can just change the text by your own self because it is not a really big thing here to change these all things. You can see which is looking good. We have just written new topic 4 3 2, and like this at the top we are getting 1. Then if I scroll down, we are just getting top story section, in which at the left you will be getting a car image which is saying that best used cars at the $20,000 for families. You can read this paragraph here. I've written lorem ipsum paragraph. You can read any other paragraph about cars if you want to write. We are getting down the read more button which is looking good, and it is also having a greenish hover effect which is looking awesome. Then at the right we are getting latest stories section. Here we are just getting the title which is saying that here's how to track your stimulus check with the IRS, my payment portal here. Then down we are getting this lorem ipsum text. We are just getting Justin, and then we are also getting a read more button which is looking good. At the right we are just getting one image of dollars which is looking awesome. Then here at the right we are getting the best outdoor games to play with your family. You will be getting. Then down we are getting all this stuff of the paragraph, read more button. Here also we are getting all this stuff. Then at the left we are just getting this bad smart speakers for the air. These are the images and the paragraph about it written. Then we are again getting the read more button here which is looking good. Then at the right again we are just getting the image, and down we are just getting here the title, or you can say the heading, which is saying that iPad Pro reviewed, has the iPad become my main computer now. Then we are again getting the paragraph with the same hover effect and the same button like I was just showing you at the top. And at the right we are getting amazing text title with the same text paragraph and with the same button hover effect, but image has been changed here. Down again we are getting all the same things but different image. Here also we are getting same thing but different image here. So then after this, we are getting a HR line which is looking good. Then down we are getting the footer section, in which we are getting tech news title like we were getting at the top. Then this is the paragraph about it written. You can write any other paragraph, or if you want to write same lorem ipsum text, you can do that. Then at the right, we are getting newsletter option. And after this newsletter, down here, we are just getting lorem ipsum text, which is looking good. Then you can write newsletter email address so user can subscribe to your newsletter. And then down in the end we are getting this amazing copyright 2023 all right reserved section. And then after this we are getting one line, and then I'm getting my name which is written in Shalvik because I built this. If you have built, so you can put your name here as well. So this is our amazing live news app portal, you can also say, which we are building using Next.js 13. We have also built previously on to-do list app using Next.js 13. You can check that out if you want to see. And if you want to build that app, basically that app is built using JavaScript, but I have built using Next.js 13, so I can just show you. We can build these all apps using different languages also, because nobody has done that all things on YouTube. So I think that we should do some different thing and we should make some different content so you can enjoy, and you can also learn how to build these all amazing things using different languages with the latest frameworks and latest languages. So I will be using some of the server side languages also to build this amazing news app, and we will be using Next.js 13 middleware and stats like server-side languages to use, and we will be building this amazing live news app here. So just I will be telling you how to build this live news app using Next.js 13. So remember to hit a like to this video because it gives motivation to me. And if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help moving forward. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing live news app using Next.js 13 and some of the server-side languages. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So previously on, you have just learned many of the things related to JavaScript, and I hope you understand how we have just built different projects using JavaScript using different tags, and I hope you are enjoying that all videos. I'm also covering a big videos using Next.js, React.js, and we have also covered up many of the other videos using different languages, and I hope you enjoy that project which we have done here. Previously on, we have learned about ChatGPT. We have just learned full tutorial what is ChatGPT, how to use that, and what are the things included in this ChatGPT. Now we are just building an amazing live news app, and I'll be telling you how to build this amazing live news app using Next.js 13. This video will be really helpful, and it will be also including some of the server-side languages. I will be telling you what will be the server-side languages like Unstitch, middleware, and all these stuff. And I will be start with telling you how to build this amazing live news app using Next.js 13 and what are the server languages included in this. And this video will be really helpful, different, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video. We are just covering Next.js 13 project after a long time, because previously on when we have covered Next.js 13 and React.js project, we have built clones like we have just built clones like Netflix, Twitter, Spotify, and many other clones. So today we are just building an amazing news app using this amazing Next.js 13, and I hope you'll be enjoying this different project here. So if you enjoy, understand this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more videos like that, so hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Also share this video so more people can learn and they can also see how to build apps using Next.js 13. I've also built one app using Next.js 13 previously on, which was named as to-do list app. You can check that out because that will also giving you help. Basically, to-do list app is also built in Next.js 13, but it is for JavaScript, and many of the people build that to-do list app using JavaScript. But I'm telling you Next.js, so you will be getting some of the different stuff like how to build this to-do list app using different languages. You can also build it using HTML, CSS like languages, but I am telling you how to build it using Next.js 13. So today I will be telling you how to build amazing live news app, and we will be also building it using Next.js 13. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing live news app using Next.js 13. So just like I've told you, we will be building an amazing live news app using Next.js 13 from start to end. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing live news app using Next.js 13. So for building this, here I will be opening my VS Code text editor. So you can see this here I've opened. Now when you've opened your VS Code, you can download this VS Code from Google Chrome normally. Then here I will be opening new window. After opening new window, close the previous one. But if you have downloaded it on the, like you can say, if you have downloaded newly, so you will be not getting these old windows, so you have to just only open this window and then you have to work with. So here you have to now go to file, then I've created folder on my desktop. You can also create the folder with the name of live news app. Then you have to create these main files here. So we will be working with these files here in this amazing live news app. So here I will be opening my main file, then I will be moving in underneath this main file, and here I will be raising all these code because here I will be not needing these all stuff. So here I will be moving, then you have to now just move here, and then you have to remove these all stuff. So you can see we have done that. Now I will be just moving here, then I will be now just I will be writing here title, because I have just left the space here by writing title, and I will be showing you what the title we will be writing here. Then when you are in this file, you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving down after this tag, then you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving in this, then you have to now raise all these stuff, then you have to save here, press Ctrl B to close the site panel. Now when you've written all this thing, just here you have to move down after this tag, then save it here also. Here I will be now just moving here in my desktop, and in desktop you have to open this live news app which is written, and here I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. You can see title is not coming because title is totally empty. Here we will be writing our new title tag is already written here, so we will be not needing any of the space to leave. Here is the title. Now you can write any of the title related to your topic. Here I'll be writing live news app like this. Save this thing, reload. Now we are getting the title of live news app. All the things has been removed. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing header tag. In header I will be moving right here div class, right here navigation, and in navigation I'll be writing dash container. So you have to write this tag. Then move down. After this, here I'll be writing div class. Then right here top head. Then right here div class. Here I will be writing web name like this. So when you've written this thing, just move down right here tech news. Then you have to just write here div class, and in class I'll be writing hem btn. Then you have to just write span itag class right here fas fa dash bars. Then you have to just move down right here div class times btn. Then you have to write here span, and then here I will be writing itag class, and then right here fas fa times. Now you have to just move down after this right here div class nav dash bar. Then you have to just write here id also, which should be same nav dash bar. You can use id or class in your styling sheet. It's your choice what do you use. I will be using class here. So when you've written these all stuff here, you have to now write nav ulli. Then in li I'll be writing a tag, in which you have to write home like this. Then you have to copy this thing, so we can just paste it down. So copy this, then paste, 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 and paste. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving. Then after moving here, I'll be writing category. Then move here, and then here I'll be writing broadcast like this. Then move at the top here. Here I will be writing featured. Then here you have to now just write a tag which should be like archive like this. Now you have to just move here. Then right here current affairs. So here I'll be writing this. Now here when you've written this thing, just I will be moving down right here div class social, and then here I'll be writing icons. Now you have to write ul. Then here I'll be writing li tag, a tag. Then you have to just write here I tag class, and then here you have to write fab fa dash Facebook. Then when you've written this, here I'll be now writing li a tag. Then I will be writing I tag class. Then here I will be writing fab fa dash Twitter. Now you have to write here li a tag, right here I tag class. Then I'll be writing fab fa dash Instagram. Then I will be just writing li tag. Then right here a tag, and right here I tag class fab fa dash YouTube. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be just now moving down after this header tag. So here when you've written this, I'll be writing section class banner. Then I'll be writing here div class. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing banner main dash content. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing h2 get the world largest, or you can say world latest, and then here I'll be writing tech news. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing h3, and here you have to write worlds, and then right here leading tech news. And then when you've written this, here I'll be writing portal. When you've written this thing, just I'll be moving right here button, then write like this tag. Here I'll be writing no more like this thing. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class, right here current, and then here I'll be writing current news, and then right here head. You have to just move down right here h3. Then you can write any news here. So here I'll be writing Apple glasses, right here what we expect. Then here I'll be writing what we think. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing VR spend tag. You have to write right here by Scott Stain like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to do one thing. Here I will be moving, saving this, then you have to reload. You can see we are getting all this stuff. So when you are getting this, here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be copying this news from here, then I will be pasting it 2 times here, because I will be just not wasting the time. I will be using same newses here, but if you want to use different newses, so you can do that. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class banner, then I'll be writing here sub content. Then you have to write here div class, and when you've written this, here I'll be writing hot topic like this. Now here I will be moving right here image. So simply here I will be writing image tag, then right here images slash banner news1.jpg. Then you have to just move down right here div class, here I will be just now writing hot topic dash content. Then you have to just move down right here h2, right here Twitter, then right here new retweet like this, then right here with comment, then here I'll be writing counter is now available. So here I'll be writing available on Android, then I'll be writing and web like this. Now when you've written this thing, just now here if I just show you, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Now when you're getting this thing, just here I will be now doing one thing, like here I will be moving down after the h2 tag which you have written, then you have to write here h3 tag. So here I will be now just moving forward. This is the h2 close tag here, and when you're just getting this h2 close tag here, you have to write h3, then write here new topic 1 like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving and then write here p tag, write lorem ipsum random text here, then move down a tag. Here I will be writing read more like this. Now save this. Here you have to reload to check it is working. You can see now we are getting all this stuff here. Now when you're getting this thing, just here you have to do one thing. You have to copy this news here. Then I will be pasting it 2 times because I will be not wasting the time here. So I will be now pasting it here also. Okay, so what do you have to do one thing here, like copy this till this div, means till this hot topic div. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, pasting it, then pasting it. Just you have to do one thing here. If you want to change the title, you can do, like I will be writing here new topic 2, then write here image 3, and simply here I will be writing 3. Now when you've written all this thing, just here you have to now paste it again one time more, then you have to write here 4, and then simply you have to change it also to 4. Now when you've written all this stuff, here I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be just now moving down after the section tag, right here hr main, right here section class, then I will be writing here main container left, then you have to write here h2, then write here top stories like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to now move down after the close h2 tag which is written, right here div class container, right here top left, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing article like this, and right here images slash, then right here top left dot jpeg. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving right here div, move down right here h3, then I'll be writing here best used cars like this under, then I'll be writing this $sign right here 20,000 like this, then give space after this 0, right here for families, then you have to just move down after this, right here p tag, then write this lorem tag. Here you have to move down, right here read more like this pen tag, then I will be just now writing like this. Here you have to move down, right here div class, right here container bottom left, then right here article, and after writing this, here I'll be writing images slash bottom left 1.jpg, then here I will be writing div, then you have to write here h3 tag, right here bed smart speakers for the air. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving down, and after moving down, here I'll be writing lorem text here like this. Now give a space here, and after giving space here I will be writing read more like this, right here span tag, then write this tag here also. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to move down, right here article tag, then after writing this, right here images slash, right here bottom left 2.jpg, right here div. So here I will be now just writing div. In div you have to write h3, right here iPad, then right here pro reviewed, has the iPad become my main computer now like this. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, write lorem ipsum text again like this, give a space, right here read more like this span tag, then write this tag here. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving after the section tag here, and after moving you have to write section class main container right like this, then right here h2, and in h2 I'll be writing latest stories like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing article, in article I'll be writing h4 just in Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing diff. So simply here I'll be writing right here h2, right here here's how to track your stimulus. Then here I'll be writing check with the IRS. Then here I'll be writing get my payment. Then here I'll be writing portal. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing p tag, write lorem, some tag, write here a tag, then write read more like this pen tag, and then here you have to write like this. Save, reload. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all this different images with the different tags written. You can see this. So here like this you are getting. Now when we are getting all this stuff here, you have to just do one thing. Here I will be now, after moving in this a tag, I'll be writing image tag. Right here images slash write one.jpg. Then right here article tag here. Then you have to write here h4, write Justin. Then here I will be writing div h2. Then right here the best outdoor. Right here games to play with your family like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing p tag. Then when you've written all this stuff, here I will be now just moving down after this, right here read more like this thing. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing article. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing h4 Justin. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div h2. Then here I will be writing a tag which should be like yvox. So here I'll be writing. Then when you've written this, here you have to now just move here. Then right here check out. So here I'll be writing check out the best. So write like this electric. Then you have to write here scooters and e-bikes. And when you've written this, here I'll be writing for 2020. Now here you have to write p tag, write lorem. Then here I'll be writing a tag, right here read more like this pen tag. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing image, right here slash write. Then here I'll be writing 3.jpg. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing article tag, right here h4. Then right here Justin. Now here you have to write div h2, in which I'll be writing Disney. Here I'll be writing Disneyland Paris will stream its Lion King stage show Friday night. Now when you've written this, here I will be just doing one thing. Here I will be now moving at the front, erase this, move down, right here p tag, write lorem ipsum, right here a tag, then write read more span. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing images slash write dash 4.jpg like this. Then here I will be raising this thing. Then when you've written this, here you have to now move down, right here article, and in article I'll be writing h4 Justin. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to move after this tag. Then right here div h2, right here looking. Then here I'll be writing at our phones. Then here you have to write lock screen. Here I will be now writing also requires. Then here I'll be writing a warrant. Then here I will be writing judge, and here I will be writing rules. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing p tag lorem. Then right here a tag. Here I'll be writing read more. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here is pen tag, right like this. Now right here images slash write 5.jpg. Then here I will be just now moving down after the main tag, and here I will be writing footer tag like this. After writing this footer tag, here you have to write div class. Then I will be writing footer container. Then right here div class footer. Then right here footer left. Here you have to move down, right here h2, and then right here a tag which should be like tech news like this. Then move down, right here p tag, write lorem ipsum. Then you have to just move down, right here div class, write footer right. Then I will be moving down, right here h2, and then right here newsletter. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing p tag, lorem ipsum tag. Here we have to write right here div input tag. Then types will be text, right here placeholder which should be email address. Now here you have to move, right here I tag like this. Then I will be just writing FAS FA envelope. So here I'll be writing this. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down after the div. Right here copyright, then right here and copy like this. Right here 2023 all rights. Then here I'll be writing result like this. Then right here slash, and here I'll be writing my name like this. Now here you have to save. Right here script, right, source is equals to script.js. Then right here snic, then here I'll be writing equal like this. Save, then move at the top. We are getting all this stuff here. Now if I just show you, here we are just getting these all things like this here, like we want. Now when you're getting, just you have to save, reload. Now if I show you, you can see we are getting all these things here. And now when you're getting here, I will be now just moving at the front. We are getting 2020, so here I'll be writing 23. Reload. Now we are getting it here like this. So when you are getting all these things, you have to move to other file. So we can style this using Next.js 13. So for styling it, here you have to move. Then after moving here, I will be now just writing a tag which should be like, first of all I will be zooming in so you can see the code. Here I will be writing box sizing border box. Right here padding 0. Right here margin 0. Then here you have to write root which should be dash heading. In heading I will be now writing Mont Serif like this, comma, and here I will be writing sans serif. Here you have to just move down. Right here body tag, then right here font family which should be Mont Serif. Then here I'll be writing sans serif. Then you have to write here background white, and here you have to just now do one thing. Here I will be moving right here railway. Then here you have to write white. Here you have to now write image width which should be 100%. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down, and after moving down, right here UL list style which should be none. Then right here a tag, and after writing this a tag, you have to just now write text decoration which should be none. Then right here color 000. Now you have to move down. After moving down, you have to write here HR, and right here width which should be 95 VW. Right here margin 0 auto. Then you have to just move down, and then after moving down, here you have to just now write dot top head. Right here display. So here I will be moving. Right here display which should be flex. Right here justify content which should be, so here I'll be writing justify content which should be space. So here I'll be writing space between. Now here you have to move down. Right here align. Then here I'll be writing item center like this. Here I'll be writing margin 0 auto. Here I will be just now writing background 252525. Then here I will be writing color white. Then I will be writing here padding 20 pixel 30 pixel. Here you have to write dot top head. Then right here dot fas, write font size 2rem. Right here cursor pointer. Then here I will be writing dot times btn. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing display none. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving. Right here nav bar. Then right here background which should be 333. Right here height 0. Then right here overflow hidden. Then you have to move down. Right here show nav. Right here height auto. Then you have to just move down. After moving down, here you have to write dot nav bar ulli. Right here text align center. Right here display. So here I'll be writing display block. Then here you have to write padding 15 pixel 0. So here I'll be writing. Then here you have to write transition. So when you've written this, here I'll be writing all 1s is in out. Then you have to write here nav dash bar. Right here ulli hover. Right here background. Then I'll be writing 0e. Then you have to just move down. After this tag, right here dot nav bar ulli a tag. Then you have to just move down. Right here color white. Right here text transform which should be uppercase. Then here I will be just writing nav dash bar ulli a. Right here hover. Then right here text decoration, right, underline like this. Right here dot social icons, right, display none. Save, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting it styled here from the top. Now here I will be moving at the top. So you can see we are getting it. Now here I will be writing dot banner. Right here main height which should be auto. So here you have to move down. After moving down, right here display grid, and then right here grid template columns 1FR. Right here align items center. Then right here padding 30 pixel, right 0 like this. Then here you have to write margin top which should be 8 pixel. Right here dot banner main content, right padding which should be 0 to rem. Right here line height, so here I'll be writing line height 1.7. Then right here dot banner main content like this. Right here h2. Now here I will be writing font size 2 rem. Then right here font family var. Right here heading. Then here you have to move down. Right here banner. Then right here main content. Then you have to write here h3 like this. Right here padding 1 rem 0. Then right here banner main content. Right here button. Then right here border none. So here I will be writing. Then here you have to write background which should be 252525. Right here padding, and in padding I will be writing 14 pixel 18 pixel. Right here font size 1.2 rem. Right here font family which should be Mont Serif. Then when you written this, here I'll be writing comma sans serif. Right here transition which should be background. Then here I'll be writing 1s is. Then you have to move down after this tag. After moving down here I'll be writing dot banner. Then I'll be writing main content button a tag. Then here you have to write color f3 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 f3. Then here you have to just now move down after this tag. So here I'll be raising. Then you have to write here transition which should be like color. After writing this color I'll be writing 1s is. Right here banner main content. Then when you've written this thing I'll be writing button. Right here hover, and then right here background which should be like white. Now you have to move. Right here banner main, then right here content, right here button which should be like hover, and then here I will be writing hover a tag. Right here color which should be like 0D. Then I'll be writing 0A 0B. Then you have to now just move at the top, and then right here hashtag like this. Then I will be writing current. So here I will be writing current news head. Then I will be writing background white like this. Then here I will be writing padding 20 pixel. Then here I will be just now writing font size 12 pixel like this. Then here I will be now just writing margin 20 pixel 0. Then you have to just write here current, and then right here news head h3. Right here padding which should be like 6 pixel. Right here cursor pointer. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing position related. Right here current news. Then here I'll be writing head. Right here h3. Then here I will be writing hover. Right here before. Then I will be writing here content. Right here like this. Then here I will be writing position absolute like this thing. Then I will be just moving, and after moving down here I will be writing left minus 12 pixel. Here I will be now writing dot current. Then here I will be writing news head span tag. Right here display block. Right here font family which should be like var. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing heading. Right here font weight, and here I will be now just writing 500. Then here you have to write text transform. Then after writing this text transform, here I will be writing uppercase. So simply you have to move here, then write here uppercase. Right dot hot topic like this. Then here I will be now just writing overflow hidden. Then here I will be now just writing position. So here when you've written this, here I will be writing position absolute. Then here when you've written this, here I will be now writing relative. Right here width 100%. Then right here height. And then here I will be now just writing here width 100% like this. Then after writing this thing, here I will be writing padding which should be 12 pixel. Right here height 300 pixel. Save this, reload. Now you can see we are just getting it styled from the top. Here you have to move down. After moving down, I will be writing dot hot topic like this. Right here image. then write display block, then write here dot hot topic dash content like this, right here position, and then write here absolute like this thing. Then here I will be writing bottom 0, right here left 20 pixel, then I will be writing here right 20 pixel. Here you have to now just write here padding, which should be 10 pixel 20 pixel. Here you have to move down after this tag, right here line height. So here I will be now just writing here line height 1.3, right here color, which should be like F3 F3 F3. Then here you have to move down after this tag. After moving down, here I will be writing hot topic. So here I will be raising these all stuff. Right here hot topic like this, H2. Then right here padding, which should be 10 pixel 0. Right here font size, which should be 18 pixel. Then here I'll be writing text shadow, which should be 002 pixel. Then I'll be writing 000. Here you have to write hot topic, right here H3. Then right here padding, which should be 10 pixel 0. Here you have to write font size 16 pixel. Right here text shadow. So here I will be now writing text shadow like this. Right here 2 pixel. Right here 000. Then you have to move down after this tag, and after moving down here you have to just write dot hot topic p tag, right here padding 10 pixel 0. Then here I will be writing font size 15 pixel, right here text shadow. So here I will be writing text shadow 2 pixel 00. This is the color. Then here I'll be writing padding 12 pixel, right here 10 pixel, right dot hot topic. Then right here content like this, right here a tag, right display. Then here I will be writing it block, right here background, which should be F3 F3 F3. Then right here border, and here I'll be writing none. Right here width, and then in width I'll be writing 95 pixel. Right here border radius, which should be 2 pixel. Right here text align center. Then right here padding, which should be 7 pixel 10 pixel. Right here font size, which should be 14 pixel. Right here margin 10 pixel 0 10 pixel 10 pixel. Here you have to move down after this tag. After moving down, right here hot topic dash content a tag, right here hover, right text decoration underline. So here I will be writing. Then when you've written this, here you have to just move down, right here main tag a tag, right here padding, right 15 pixel, and then right here 0. Here you have to just move down, right here display block like this. Then here I will be writing transition, and after writing this transition I will be writing all 0.5s. Right here main span tag, right here transition, and after writing transition I will be writing padding left, right here 0.5. Then here I will be writing main a tag, right here hover. So simply when you've written this, I'll be writing span tag, right here padding left 5 pixel. Here you have to write main. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing main a hover. Then you have to just write here color, which should be 7AC64D like this. Then here I will be writing dot main container, right here left. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing padding. Then right here 30 pixel 10 pixel. Here you have to write main container, right here left. Then write H2. You have to move down after this tag, right here padding, and after writing this padding I'll be writing 15 pixel 0, right here 15 pixel 30 pixel. Then right here dot, right here main container, right here dash left H3 tag. Then here I will be just now writing padding, which should be 10 pixel, right here 0. Then here you have to write font size, which should be like 18 pixel, and then right here font family, which should be VAR. Right here heading. Now you have to just move down, right here dot main container, right here left p tag like this. Then right here font size 15 pixel. Here you have to write font weight, which should be like 300. Then right here main container, right here left. Then right here article. Here you have to write padding 10 pixel. Now you have to just move down, right here container top left like this. Then here I will be writing padding, which should be 15 pixel 30 pixel. Here you have to now write container bottom left. Here I will be writing background, right here F3, F3, F3. Then right here margin 15 pixel, 30 pixel. Here you have to move down after this. Then after moving down here, you have to just now write dot main container, right here padding, and after writing this padding, right here 30 pixel, 10 pixel, right here main container. Then right here write h2 tag, right here padding, which should be 15 pixel, 0, 15 pixel, 30 pixel. Here I will be writing main container, and then here I will be writing write article, right here display grid, then right here grid, right here columns, and then I'll be writing 1fr, 3fr, 1fr. Then here I'll be writing padding 15 pixel, 0. So when you've written this, here I'll be writing border bottom 1 pix solid, right here 7 AC. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing 6 4D. Now you have to move down, right here main container, right here write article, and then when you've written this, here I'll be writing last child like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be just moving down, right here border bottom none like this, then right here main, then right here container, right, and then when you've written this, here I'll be writing image, then right here width, which should be 100 pixel, right here height 100 pixel, right align cell, which should be like center. Then I will be just moving, right here main container, right here right here h4, then I'll be writing text align, which should be center. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing text transform, and in text transform you have to write uppercase like this. Then here I'll be writing font weight, which should be like 300, right here font size, and in font size you have to write 12 pixel, right here align cell center. So here I will be now writing this. Now when you've written these all stuff, here you have to just do one thing. Here I will be moving, right here main container, right here right here article h2 tag, right here font size, which should be like 18 pixel. Then I will be now just writing here padding, which should be 10 pixel. Then I will be writing 0, right here font family, which should be like var, right here heading. Now you have to just close this, save this tag, reload. Now when you will be reloading, you can see we are getting all this stuff here styled. Now here we have to just style downwards thing. So here I will be moving, right here main container, then here I'll be writing write article p tag. So here when you've written this, I will be just moving down, right here font size 15 pixel, right here font weight, which should be like 300. Then I will be just writing main container. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing write article p tag, or you can say div tag, and here I will be just now writing margin right, which should be like 10 pixel, right here footer. Then here I will be writing background, which should be 252525. Then here I will be writing color f3 f3 f3. Then here you have to write padding, which should be like 30 pixel. Here you have to write footer h2 tag, right here padding 10 pixel 0. Then here I will be writing footer p tag, right here padding 10 pixel 0. So here I will be now moving, then I will be writing 0. Here you have to move down after this tag. Then after moving down, here you have to now just write a tag, which should be like line height 1.3. Then here you have to write dot footer left, then right here dot footer right. Here you have to write margin 0 20 pixel, right here footer. Then here I will be writing p tag, then right here text align, which should be center, right here opacity 0.8. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing margin top, which should be like 20 pixel, right here footer right I tag. Then I will be just writing here font size, which should be like 1.8 rem like this. Then when you've written this, I will be just now moving down, right here color 0 like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving, right here footer right here input like this. Then right here font size, which should be like 18 pixels. So here I will be writing. Then here I will be writing border none, right here background, which should be like transparent. Now here you have to write outline none, right here color, which should be like 0 0 like this. Then you have to write here padding right, which should be like 10 pixel, right here width 100%. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just move down after this tag, and after moving down, here I will be writing footer So here I will be now just writing here footer right div, right here display flags, right here align items which should be center, right here justify content which should be like start. So here I will be writing right here width which should be 200 pixel, then right here padding which should be 10 pixel. So here I will be writing 10 pixel 0. Then here I will be writing border bottom which should be like 1.6 pixel solid. Then I will be writing 808080. Then I will be just writing here at the rate media. Then here I will be writing max width like this, right here 460 pixel. Then I will be writing dot hot topic dash content like this. Then here I will be writing h2. Here you have to write font size which should be like 16 pixel. Right here main container. Then I will be writing right article. Here you have to write display block. Then I will be writing there dot main container right. So here I will be writing right here article image. Then right here display none. Right. Then here you have to just now give a space from the top like this. Then move down right here at the rate media. Right here max width. So here I will be writing 500 pixel. Give a space right here main container dash right. Then right here article. And after writing this, here I will be writing grid template columns 1fr 3fr like this. Then here you have to just move down after this tag. Right here grid template rows. Right here 1fr 1fr. Right here main container right article. So here I will be writing this tag. Then here I will be writing h4. Right here grid row. Then I will be just now writing here 1/2. Then I will be writing grid column. Then I will be writing 1/2. Here I will be writing align self. Here I will be writing flag start. Then I will be writing main container. Right here right article image. Right here grid row. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing 2/3. Then right here grid column like this, and I will be writing 1/2. Now you have to move down right here main container right article. Then I will be writing here div. Right here grid, and in grid row I will be writing 1/3. Then right here grid column, and in grid column I will be writing 2/3. Save this, reload. Now here you can see we are getting all this stuff here like this. Now when you're getting these all things, here I will be just doing one thing. I will be moving down right here media, right min width which should be 768 pixel. Right here dot banner, and then here I will be writing sub content. Here you have to move down right here display grid. Right here grid template. So here I will be now writing grid template columns which should be like repeat. So now here if I just show you, here you can see if I open my text editor. So here till here we have just done with these all things. Now when you've written these all things, here I will be moving down right here dot container dash bottom left. Then I will be just writing here display which should be grid. Now here I will be writing grid template columns, and in columns I will be writing repeat, and then right here 2,1fr. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing at the rate media. Then here you have to write min width. So simply here I will be writing min width 800 pixel. Then you have to just move forward. Then here I will be writing dot hem btn. Then here you have to write dot times btn. Then you have to just write here display which should be none. Then I will be just writing here important like this. Now here you have to move down right here navigation dash container. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here display which should be flags. Right here background which should be 2.5. Then I'll be writing 2.5 like this. Here you have to just now move down again, and here you have to write align. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing align items. So here I will be zooming in again. Then you have to just move here. Then right here align item center. Here you have to write flags wrap which should be wrap. Then here I will be writing top head which should be flags 0, 0, 15%. Then I will be giving space, closing this tag. Here you have to write nav dash bar. Then right here flags 1, 0. Then here I will be writing auto like this. Then I will be writing height 100%. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing background transparent. Then you have to write nav dash bar. Then right here nav ul. Here you have to write display and right here flex. Here you have to write justify content which should be center. Now you have to move down right here nav dash bar ul. So here I will be writing nav ulli. Then here I will be writing padding right which should be 30 pixel. Now here you have to move down after this tag. Then after moving down I will be writing nav dash bar right here nav ulli right here hover. Then I will be writing here background none. Then you have to just write here dot social icons. Then when you return this I'll be writing flex 0 1 30%. Here you have to write display and then in display I'll be writing here block. So here I will be writing, then you have to just write here margin 0. Then here I'll be writing auto. Now when you return this I will be writing social icons right here dot fab. Then right here color white. Right here font size which should be 2 rem. Then I will be just now writing here social and here I will be writing icons. Then write ul here. Now move down right here display flex. Then right here justify content right here space between. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just write padding here which should be 0 20 pixel. Now here you have to move down right here social icons right here ulli. Then right here padding 20 pixel. Now we have just written these all things. When you've written this, here I will be writing footer. Then right here container. Here you have to write display which should be flex. Then right here a tag which should be like dot footer dash. Then I'll be writing right dot footer left. And here I will be writing flex. And here I'll be writing 1. Then you have to write media. Here I will be writing min width. So simply here I will be writing right here 992 pixel. Then right here main, and in main I will be writing display grid. Right here grid template columns which should be repeat, and in repeat I will be writing 2 comma 1 fr. Then I will be writing media, and here I will be writing min width, and in min width I will be writing 1080 pixel. Right here a tag which should be like dot banner. Then right here grid template columns which should be 1 fr 2 fr. Now when you've written all this stuff, here you have to save this. Then you have to reload. And after reloading here, if I show you, you can see this is our news app which is just now ready. And in the demo, I've also shown you only this news app which I've just built here. You can see this is containing many of the important things like we needed, and we have built this amazing, and it is a totally different news app which we have built using Next.js 13. So you can see we are containing all these things, like we are getting tech news heading at the left side written, then at the back we are just getting black background and it is looking really awesome. Then after this at the right we are getting home, current affairs, archive, featured, broadcast, category section which is like navbar sections. Then at the right we are getting all the social medias icon like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube icons. Then at the back we are also getting black color. Then if I move down we are getting the interface which is blackish, which is at the white color at the back. Then we are just getting this title here, get the world's latest tech news, and then one paragraph written. And we are also getting no more button which is having a beautiful hover effect at the back of white color. Then here we are just getting all this stuff, like these are the newses which are newly created by the people. Here you can put any of the newses. I have put same news so it will be not waste of time, but you can put different newses if you want to do that. Then these are the main newses and the topic of the newses which we are getting it here. I have written 4 topics. You can write 5 to 6 topics, or if you want to write more from 6, so you can also do that. And here we are getting different topic with the different tags here. You can see, but I have just written same because I don't want to waste my time, so I was just showing you the pattern. But if you want to change the text paragraph, so you can do that by your own self. It is not really big thing, like I'm telling you. In read more we are getting an underline effect of black color which is looking awesome. Then we are getting top stories. Here we are getting one image of car, and we are just getting that you can say the title or heading. We are just getting best used car under $20,000 for families we are getting. Then these are the latest stories we are getting here, so you can just press read more button to read it about more. If you want to read more about these all latest stories, so I can press this read more button. Then we are again getting these all images with the different title and the text of paragraph. Then we are getting read more button with the same effect like we were getting at the top in the button here. Then at the right we are again getting these all you can say the paragraphs and the heading which is looking awesome with the read more button. Then we are just getting this image which is looking good. Then we are again just getting these all, again we are just getting these all headings with the paragraph and images which is looking awesome. Then in the end we are just getting this footer section in which we are again getting the heading of tech news and the paragraph written in dolem ipsum. You can write your own paragraph if you want to write. Then this is the newsletter section you will be getting. This is the email address of the newsletter. Then at the end you will be getting the copyright section which is saying that copyright 2023 all right reserved, and at the slash we are getting my name because here I've built, so here I've written my name. Here you can also write your name to show that you have built this. So this was our amazing live news app which we have built, and we have used totally Next.js 13 and server-side languages like Unstage and middleware. So I hope you understand how we have just built this amazing live news app using Next.js 13, and I hope you enjoy this video and you understand this. If you have enjoyed, understand this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel, and also just see all the previous videos which I have done yet using Next.js 13, and I am also doing the series using JavaScript, and we have built many of the project using JavaScript. You can check that out because that will also giving you help moving forward. So I hope you understand these all things. So just I'll be meeting you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.